Hello all, welcome to our channel SPJK Technosoft. So today, as a part of Statistics for Data Science Part 1, we are going to discuss about measure of central tendency. And if you see the definition, it says that measure of central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within that set of data. And if you look into the entire definition, basically we can calculate the measure of central tendency by either using mean, median and mode, and how to do that we are going to see in the next coming slides. So start with mean. Mean is average. So the mean is equal to the sum of all the values in the data set divided by the number of values in the data set, and it is usually denoted by x bar. So let's go for an example. So looking at the retirement age distribution, you can see there are 11 data sets, and to calculate the mean we need to sum up all the data sets, all the data points in the data sets, which is equal to 583, and then dividing that particular sum by the number of observations of the data point, that is 11, and it equals to 53 years. So mean for this particular data set is 53 years. So now going to the next one, which is median. Median is middle value. So to select median or to calculate a median, we need to either sort the data in the ascending or the descending order and then pick up the middle value. And how to do that? Let us see an example for median. Again, for the retirement age, we have sorted the data of 11 observations in the ascending order, and if you observe, we see that 55 is the middle value for this. So this is the median for that. If you see, 5 data points are in the left and 5 data points are in the right to the middle value, which is 55. So in our case, in our data set of 11 observations, 55 is the median value. And then next is mode. Mode is most number of occurrences. The frequent occurrence of any data point is taken as a mode. So how to calculate the mode? So again, going with the age distribution, if you see the below distribution, the left column is age, right column is frequency. So the number of the ages have been given in the age column, and the frequency, the number of times it has occurred, has been given in the frequency column. And if you see that 67 has occurred 3 times, where others have occurred either 1 or 2 times. So in our case, the mode will be 67 because it has occurred more number of times, that is 3, and that is the reason the mode for this particular data set, which has 11 observation, is 67 years. So this is how we can calculate mean, median and mode, and which is also called as a measure of central tendency in statistics. Thank you. Please subscribe to our video channel SPJK Technosoft for more updates.